Hello everyone, I am Soumya. In this video, I'll be showing you decoupage on bottle. Decoupage art is an easy and simple work and used for decorating glass bottle, plastic, wooden pieces and different variety of materials using decoupage. Materials required for this decoupage: Decor varnish, Fevicryl Mod Podge, white acrylic color, glass bottle, decoupage napkin, brushes, sponge. First step is clean the bottle. Next step is coloring the bottle. For coloring, I am going to use white acrylic color and I'll be using a sponge to apply the paint on the bottle. I'll dip sponge in the color and paint the bottle. So now I'll let this bottle get dry first. So after the first layer has dried up, we are going to put up one more layer of the same white acrylic color using sponge. So the second layer is also completed and I'll let it dry for at least 24 hours. Till our bottle is getting dried, we are going to prepare our napkin and also decide the formation we are going to make using it. So in decoupage napkin you will be having two layers and you need to separate both the layers. After separating both the layers, we are going to get a white layer and a printed layer, so we need printed layer. So the next step is use number 0 or number 1 brush. Use a little bit of water and try to separate the printed part. So here we have got two pieces we needed. So next step is using Fevicryl Mod Podge. We need to stick the decoupage napkin on the bottle. To apply Mod Podge on the bottle, I am using a flat brush. Apply Mod Podge from the center and move towards the edge. So this part is completed and I'll let it dry now. Now I'll place one more piece over here. So in the same way, starting from the center, I'll be applying the glue towards the edge. So I'll turn it round and I'll show you. So the next step is varnishing. Using Decor varnish, I am going to apply a thin layer on it. So this is the final look and it looks glossy due to varnish. Hope you all like this video. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Do click on the notification bell so you're notified every time I put up a new video. Please like, share and comment.